Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to cancel your Bluehost subscription and get a refund. As you see, they initiated the refund of $59.88, and that was the price I paid for this subscription. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account. Then click on this little support icon called Ask Blue. A new window will open up. Thank you for contacting Bluehost. By continuing, you agree to our privacy policy. Do you require support for existing products, or are you looking for new purchase for existing products? What is the product you need help with? Web hosting. What service do you need help with? Billing. I can help you providing you your 5 recent charges. Would you like to continue? No. Please select the option below that best describes what you need help with. Cancel products, make payments. Let's select cancel. We're sorry to hear you wish to cancel your service with us. To help us serve you better, please choose a reason below. If you don't wish to cancel, please know you can return to the previous menu. No longer dissatisfied with service, renewal price too high, return. I will go with no longer needed. Thank you, please help us understand just a little bit. Business closed, temporary need, sale of domain, fraud purchase, upgrade. Temporary business closed, upgrade product, sale of domain, temporary need, business closed. Let's go with business closed. May I please have your first and last name to provide May I please have your first and last name to provide to your agent? Ben, send your message. What is the domain name associated to the account you are contacting us about? If you do not have a domain name, type pass. I didn't register the domain name from Bluehost. Thanks for our team to quickly begin researching your request. Please describe your issue here. Please cancel my Bluehost subscription and get me a refund. What would you like a copy of this chat transcript once your conversation with an agent is complete? No. Let me get you to someone who can help. Please note, once our agent has completed assisting you, we'd also like to invite you to complete a brief survey on your experience today. Hi Ben, I'm Nazmeen. I hope you're doing well today. I'm here to help you today. Hi. I'm sorry to know you wish to cancel the account. I'll definitely help you. So stay connected throughout our conversation. Please enable sound on your device and stay in the chat window. Let's get started. I'll quickly review your account right away and help you. I'm sorry to hear that you wish to cancel your account, mentioning that your business has closed and you no longer need the website. Could you please share the specific reasons for your business closure? We truly value your feedback and would like to understand why you're canceling your subscription. If there's anything we could have done better to support you, please let us know. Let's Bluehost price is, or I find a better deal elsewhere. Support needed. Just cancel and refund me, please. Thank you for letting me know. I could see that you have signed up for a new account with us. You got the promotional price and paid for 1 year of hosting and have now decided to cancel. We truly value your business and hate to see you go. Could you please let us know if you encountered any technical issues or faced any challenges while using our service? No encounter. No, no. Have you already taken backups for the website files and database once the account is deleted? Access. Do you have access to the primary email address on file for the account? Yes, I have primary access to my I have access my primary email address. Can you please can you please confirm that the credit card paper account that was used to purchase this hosting is active and can receive fund? Yes, it can receive funds. We understand you may not need your current website anymore. Keeping your hosting plan can save you time and effort for future projects. You never know when you may want to start a new venture or share something online. But I am sure that I am sure I need to I want to cancel and get a refund. I could see that you have created the email address using professional email. Would you like to keep it? No need. Please just get me a refund. Bluehost. I will cancel it now. I have initiated the refund of $59.88 and claim. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. I have initiated the refund of $59.88 and claim ID is this number. Please note that depending on your bank's processing time, refunds can take approximately 5 to 7 business days to reflect in your account. I have cancelled the professional email too. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Before this, let's check the billing to make sure I got a full refund. Where is my orders or payments or orders? As you see, this is I got a full refund.